there. One of the most important concern about a student is the kind of books they should buy and the kind of books they must study. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the list of the books that you must buy and the list of books that you must study while you are in your BScs, so that you can make each and every concept very strong right from your first semester. Remember, the questions that are asked in your JAM and your NET are based on the concepts that you study in your BSc. So your BSc concepts must be very strong. So let us check out the list of the books. The first book is The Principles of Physical Chemistry by Puri Sharma and Pathania. This is the book which I used to study when I was in BSc. If this is the other book for physical chemistry, Atkins. This is Atkins. You can borrow this book from library. You need not buy this book. If you want to know more about physical chemistry, you can find out your relevant topics from your syllabus and you can study from this book the relevant topics that you have in the syllabus. Okay. The other books that you can study in your BSc is this one, that is KL Kapoor. There are series of volumes and you can go through these books. This is volume 2 for application of thermodynamics, and this is the other book, that is thermodynamics and equilibrium, chemical equilibrium. This is volume 2. So you can borrow these books from library. The only book that you can buy is Pathania, and all these books you can borrow from library if you want to study more. If you have greater interest in physical chemistry, you can go through this book. This is Physical Chemistry Through Problems, and this is written by S.K. Dogra and S. Dogra. So this is a book that is Xeroxed. I'll show you the cover page of the book so that you can so that you can easily recognize this book in your library. You need not buy this book, okay? You just go through the book. So this is the cover page for the Physical Chemistry Through Problems, S.K. Dogra and S. Dogra. So if you find this book in your library, you can borrow it. This is the new edition for the same book with different cover page. So these two are the books you can find in the library if you want to study. For inorganic chemistry, the books that you can buy is Ajay Kumar, Basic Inorganic Chemistry. Okay, this is one of the very important book. You can buy this. Other books are your General and Inorganic Chemistry Part 2 by R. Sarkar, and also this one, that is Part 1 by R. Sarkar. So these are the books you can buy in inorganic chemistry. This book is Maesler and Tar for inorganic chemistry. So if you find this book in your library, you can borrow this. You need not buy this right now. You can borrow and study. You can also borrow this book, that is the inorganic chemistry. The writer is Hu He, okay? You can borrow this book from the library. You need not buy this right now. You can just borrow it and study. You can also go through this book, that is J.D. Lee, Concise Inorganic Chemistry. Borrow this book from the library. So this is the other book for inorganic chemistry. You can borrow this from the library, Puri Sharma and Kalia, Principles of Inorganic Chemistry. You will find the topics in much simpler ways. If you find it easy, you can even buy this. But after borrowing it from the library, read it, and after that, if you wish to buy, you can buy this. For organic chemistry, I'll prefer you buy this book. Okay, Bhupendra Mehta and Manju Mehta. The things are in much simpler way. You can understand it very easily. So you must buy this book, Organic Chemistry by Bhupendra Mehta and Manju Mehta. You'll find all the topics here. Now this is one of the very important book in organic chemistry, Jonathan Claydon. You must study this as a BSc chemistry student. You must be familiar with this book. You have to study whatever the reactions are given in this book. Okay, this is one of the very important book. I recommend all the students who are even if not interested in organic chemistry to read this book because it is very important. This is another important book for organic chemistry that is written by S.M. Mukherjee and S.P. Singh. It is the reaction mechanism in organic chemistry. I think you will find this in your libraries. You must borrow this and study. It is also one of the important book. If you find this book by Dr. Jagdamba Singh and LSD Yadav, Advanced Organic Chemistry, you can also go through this book if you find this in your library. Other book that you can go through is Organic Synthesis by Dr. Jagdamba Singh and Dr. LSD Yadav. If you find this book in your libraries, you can go through this book also. So this is the other book which you can study, borrow it from the library. Okay, this is Jerry March, Advanced Organic Chemistry. But this book, Bhupendra Mehta and Manju Mehta, you must buy. The other organic books you can borrow it from the library and study, but this book will be easier for you to understand. So you must buy this book.